All right, y'all. Hey, 3-minute Thursdays is now a thing with old Hungry Hussey. I cooked a pork butt last week. Our last video, pork butt 101, simple pork butt. Try that out. Hey, we got leftovers. Always got leftovers from that pork butt. We're gonna do a pulled pork, grilled cheese on this Blackstone griddle. And we're gonna get started. Jacob, when are we gonna start the timer? You tell me.
20 seconds.
In 20 seconds? We're gonna start the timer like right meow, all right? So here's our pulled pork, guys. We're gonna put ample amounts of pulled pork down, okay? We're gonna make this, we're gonna make the 3 minutes, not 30 minutes. Oh gosh, somebody done messed me up. Jacob. Grab the biggest darn knife I can find. We're gonna put a little bit of this Duke's mayonnaise. Georgia sweet heat. Put that right down, okay? We want this saucy. We want it saucy and sassy like us, you know what I'm saying? All right, got some nice big Texas toast. Don't know why it's Texas. What'd you do with it, Jacob? Butter. Make some butter. Gonna get our bread down. But first, we butter. All right, 2 pieces right there. 2 pieces right there. Then y'all, state law, gotta get that Duke's mayonnaise. State law, everybody say it with me. I know you are. Here we go. All right, cheese. You ain't hide the cheese on me. Best cheese in the world, American cheese. Y'all know it? Y'all know it? But we're gonna put ample amounts of American cheese. Squish that mayonnaise down. Perfect. All right, there we go. I don't know how we're looking on time, but I think we're good. We're just gonna mix this up real well. Get that Georgia sweet heat all mixed in. I tell you what, a pulled pork, with a pulled pork, you got so many options to do with leftovers, and this is just one of them. I'm gonna put that pork right on there. I don't know, that's a lot. But I got some mouths to feed. I got a little special guest later on. Woo! I got 2 minutes. Woo-hoo-hoo! I got a special guest who's gonna eat this with me today. Can't show you yet, but you'll see. All right, so. Woo, boy. All right, I'm gonna put these about right here because it's not quite as hot right here. Put that over there. I need a little bit of water. Okay, just a little bit right here, a little bit right here. Let's get that American cheese nice and melty. Okay. All right, had a few seconds on that side. Let's flip her over. Ooh, look at that crust. Yes, sir, ma'am. We're gonna let that go for 30 seconds or so. A little bit of water. Don't squirt your bread, folks. Nobody wants that negativity in your life, okay? We're gonna clear a space because we're about done with these suckers. I mean, if you had somewhere to be like we got, ball games all the time, perfect meal, perfect meal. All right, it's been about 30 seconds and I believe our cheese is nice and melty. Oh my goodness. Pulled pork grilled cheese. Man, we did it under 3 minutes. Just like that, lickety split, look at me go. Dang it, boys and girls. And children of all ages, of course. Let's give it a slice. Oh, melty, gooey. Pulled pork grilled cheese. Dang it, boys and girls. Whew. Best part of the job is time to give these bad boys a try. Boy, look at that. Melty cheese. Oh, whoa, wait a minute. Who's this guy?
I think it's grocery right there.
I like that Georgia sweet heat.
That is good. That and that mayonnaise.
Gotta have mayonnaise.
I have not put mayonnaise like that before.
State law. It's just state law.
Well, I'm not in state, but
out of state law too.
Out of state law.
Even in Virginia.
Virginia has got to start doing that. I've never had mayonnaise on that before like that. That's awesome.
Maggie girl, you been good? Time for you a little bite there, girlfriend. All right. Y'all, you never seen Mike McCourt before? It's my buddy Mike McCourt. Facebook group Blackstone Life. Really cool cat. Appreciate you coming, trying a little bit of our groceries.
It was good.
Appreciate y'all. Hey, 3 Minute Thursday, it was a dang success. We made it. We're awesome. We'll see you next time.